I went on a hash brown fixing frenzy, days on end, little tweak here, little tweak there, and my goal to make the perfect hash browns. Well, I failed. Because they all tasted pretty decent, but there were some differences. Let's see what they were. First thing I did was try 3 different ways of removing water. First, hand squeeze, then the salad spinner, and last, the potato ricer. And kept everything else the same pan, same temperature, and the same cook time. And of course, I tasted them. The hand squeezed hash browns tasted good. The crisp on the outside was still there, but the inside was noticeably mushier. The salad spinner and the potato ricer, these two were very similar. The outside crisp stayed about the same, but the inside texture improved. They were lighter, less mushy, and overall, just better. And honestly, I could barely tell the difference between the salad spinner and the potato ricer. But the salad spinner was easier to use overall, and a little bit more fun. For the second test, I changed a few things. I switched from cast iron to stainless steel, and also switched from avocado oil to beef tallow. And I added a little more oil to the pan, going for a thicker crunch, but still maintaining that soft interior. Then I cooked it again, same time, same method. The result? The outside crisp actually didn't change too much, but the inside texture got slightly mushier again. However, the flavor improved. I think this one's a little greasier. Might have used too much, but still tasted.
Tasted though.
Yeah. That beef tallow definitely made a difference. So let's work on that inside texture again. For the third and final test, I went back to cast iron. This time, I used 1 tablespoon of beef tallow, 1 tablespoon of butter, and did the same timing. But I realized something real important. How in the world did I forget this? I hadn't been rinsing the potatoes properly, as in at all. So I went to the sink and made sure to rinse them until the water ran clear to remove that excess starch. Well, wouldn't you know it, this one came out the best overall. The crisp was still good, but the inside texture improved the most. It was lighter, less mushy, and just had a cleaner flavor. So takeaways? When it comes to removing moisture, if you have one, I like the salad spinner. I think that's the go-to for ease and results. When it comes to what you cook them in, be sure to barely cover the bottom of the pan, and a little fat and butter adds a nice flavor. As for the pan, you can't beat a well-seasoned cast iron skillet. They are worth putting the time and effort into. And last, but certainly not least, don't forget to rinse your potatoes. So, how do you fix your hash browns? Give me and everyone else some ideas in the comments section if you know something that really makes a big difference. See you on the next test. That's the beef tallow one.
What?
That's the beef tallow one.
What was that?
This stuff.
Oh yeah. That's good.
You can take half of it.